Hi friends, today I have collected all the important formulas and from all chapters of BFM. So we can start. Forward rate equal to spot rate plus premium. If it is discount, it is minus discount. That is, for discount, forward rate equal to spot rate minus discount. Forward is greater than spot, it is premium, and if forward less than spot, it is discount. Volatility over a time horizon T equal to daily volatility into root T. Mean equal to x minus mu, variance equal to s minus mu the whole square by n, volatility equal to root of s minus mu the whole square by n. For basic indicator approach, capital required is gross income into 15%. Gross income equal to net interest income plus net non-interest income. Friends, please take a note. Another equation of gross income is net profit plus provisions plus operating expense minus profit on sale of investment minus income from insurance minus extraordinary income and expense. So we have to use whichever equation is required for the question. Capital charge for operational risk equal to average of GI into alpha, that is gross income into alpha for last 3 financial years, excluding years of negative or zero gross income. So we have to exclude zero or negative gross income, that is in the last 3 financial years we have to exclude zero or negative gross income and add them and take the average. Leverage ratio equal to capital measure by exposure measure. In India it is greater than 4.5%. CET1 equal to comes in between 0 to 2.5% of total risk weight asset. C star equal to C into 1 minus HC minus 1 minus C star equal to C into 1 minus HC minus HFX. C star is haircut adjusted collateral value. C star is haircut adjusted collateral value. C is the original collateral value. HC is haircut applicable to collateral. HFX is haircut on account of currency mismatch, and HFX equal to 0.08. If currency mismatch, usually it is 0. If it comes into account, we have to take it as 0.08 always. Leverage is debt by equity for companies. Common equity CET1 is equal to common equity capital ratio is CET1 capital by total risk weight assets. Total risk weight assets is risk weight of credit risk, market risk and operation risk. Tier 2 capital ratio equal to Tier 2 capital by total risk weight assets. Total capital or CRAR or CAR, that is capital risk weight asset ratio is eligible total capital or regulatory capital divided by total risk weight asset. VAR, as second and another equation of VAR, we will be given asset value, sensitivity, etc. So we can find value at risk, asset value into sensitivity mean into change in benchmark, that is VAR. Next is price volatility, yield volatility into basis point value BPV into yield, all divided by price. 1 basis point value 0.01%. Modified duration MD is Maclaurin duration by 1 plus y, whereas y is equal to yield. Daily VAR equal to volatility into probability. Volatility will be given in percentage. Probability will be given as a number. Weekly VAR equal to daily VAR into root 7. Market price equal to coupon interest into face value by current yield. Current yield equal to coupon interest by market value. Yield equal to rate of bond by market value. Economic equity ratio is economic value of equity by total asset. NSFR equal to ASF by RSF into 100. NSFR is net stable funding ratio. It is greater than or equal to 100%. ASF is available stable funding and RSF is required stable funding. LCR equal to stock of high quality liquid assets HQLA by total net cash flow into 100. It is 9% of NDTL. It's approximately 9% entity. RPM is profit by risk capital. RC is measured as VAR. EVA is profit by R minus R into RC, where R is opportunity cost, RC is the risk capital, and RC is calculated as VAR. We already dealt with the question of VAR. Basic indicator method capital charge is 15% of gross income, where gross income of last 3 years is taken into account, and if it is negative or zero, it will not be added here. Gross income is net interest income plus net non-interest income is another equation. Macaulay duration is delta PV into T by delta PV, that is present value into time by delta PV. Next is economic equity rate equal to shareholders asset by total asset. Interest rate sensitive gap equal to RSA minus RSL. RSA is interest rate sensitive assets. RSL is interest rate sensitive liabilities. It is liabilities. If positive gap, that is RSA minus RSL is greater than 0. Negative gap if RSA minus RSL less than 0. DGAP is modified duration gap equal to modified DA minus W into modified DL, where W is RSL by RSA, DA is weighted average modified duration of asset liabilities of assets, and DL is weighted average modified duration of liabilities. Modified duration of equity is DGAP into leverage, and leverage is RSA by equity. So friends, these are the equations I collected from this VFM. So kindly take notes. It will be useful for you. Thank you.